Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to prep your vehicle before installing the PPF film. So in this example we're going to be working on this panel right here. So we want to make sure before we start installing the PPF, we want to make sure it's clean. So let's get started with the tutorial. So first we want to make sure we add soapy solution all around the panel that you're going to be working on. So the reason being is so we can use the claybar. That way it removes any contaminations that the panel may have. And we want to make sure when we do the claybar, we get on every corner, because some PPF we do wrap it around the panel, and some we don't. So we just want to make sure every corner and everywhere underneath the vehicle is clean, even the badge as well. So when you're doing the claybar, just do it in a circular motion. You just want to make sure you take your time to get every corner. Alright, and as you can see, you will see some contamination on your vehicle. When you see that one side of the clay bar is getting dirty, just fold it around, pat it down, and then you'll have a clean side again, and you just continue the process. Alright, and once you finish clay barring the whole panel that you're going to be working on, the next step will be to grab a clean microfiber towel and just wipe off all the solution that you have on the panel. Also, you want to make sure when you're cleaning the panel, you want to make sure you clean underneath, because like as I mentioned, you will have some PPF that you might need to wrap around the panel. So we just want to make sure we get everything. As you can see, it's going to be dirty, so we want to make sure it's clean. Okay, and then now the next step would be adding alcohol. That way we just make sure we wipe out any contaminations that the panel might still have. So you would just grab another clean microfiber towel, and just with alcohol, spray it on the towel and a little bit on the panel, and then just wipe it off. Okay, and then once you have it wiped off, the next step would be just to make sure everything's clean, because there is lint sometimes on the air, and that may fall off on the panel itself while we're cleaning it. We want to make sure we just give it a quick squeegee. So grab your soapy solution, spray it on the panel, just a quick rinse, and then with your squeegee, just squeegee out the water. So once you finish squeegeeing, the next step would be just to wipe it again. It doesn't have to be a thorough clean this time, it's just wiping it off. And then from there, the last thing before we install the actual film, we want to make sure we start with the process of wetting the panel. So remember, use soapy solution. And once you have it wet, then that's when you start installing the PPF itself. Thank you for watching. Until the next video.